More major news tonight. The mother of Odin Lloyd is speaking for the first time about a wrongful death lawsuit against Aaron Hernandez.
The former Patriot's begun serving a life sentence for murdering Odin Lloyd in North Attleboro in 2013. And
now that the verdict is in, Lloyd's mother wants Hernandez to own up to the crime in civil court.
Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell joins us now from Boston with new details on the wrongful death suit.
Ursula Ward's attorney says he plans to call Aaron Hernandez to the stand. He says he will ask two important questions for Odin Lloyd's family. What happened and why?
Guilty of murder in the first degree.
It's been a week since Aaron Hernandez was convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life in prison for the shooting death of Odin Lloyd.
I thought my life ended with his. I always wish I was there to take those bullets for Odin.
Now Lloyd's mother, Ursula Ward, is moving forward with the civil case against Hernandez. Ward's attorney, Doug Sheff, plans to call Hernandez to the stand.
He will no longer be able to hide behind any sort of Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination because he is already convicted of the crime. And when we do call him, Ursula Ward will be by our side to look him in the eye once he goes under oath and tells his story.
Ward's civil case was filed in 2013 but put on hold for the criminal case. Sheff did not say how much money he and his client are seeking from Hernandez.
I'm not confident he has money, but he sure has received a lot over his career, and we're curious as to where it might be.
Hernandez is also facing murder charges and civil suits for the deaths of Daniel De Abreu and Safiro Furtado. The men were shot to death in Boston in 2012. Today, Ursula Ward did not take any questions from reporters. During her brief statement, she didn't mention Aaron Hernandez's name at all. Coming up new at 6, a closer look at some of the money that may be on the line. In Boston with the Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.
Now, wrongful death lawsuit. The mother of the man who Aaron Hernandez was just convicted of killing is talking about the civil suit she's filed against the former football star. New at 6, a closer look at the money that could be on the line. The Pinpoint News Tracker takes you to Boston now. That's where Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell is.
Ursula Ward's attorneys didn't say how much money they're seeking from Hernandez, but they say they want the court to move quickly because they don't want Hernandez's assets to disappear. Convicted killer Aaron Hernandez could be called to testify about his victim's murder.
She wants to ask what happened. Very simple. What happened? And then the next question ought to be, why?
Flanked by her attorneys, Odin Lloyd's mother told reporters she's moving forward with a wrongful death civil suit against Hernandez.
Odin was a young man who never took life for granted. Odin always says, "Ma, if you have life, you smile."
It's been nearly 2 years since Hernandez shot Lloyd to death in this North Attleboro industrial park.
For Ursula and her family, this has never been about money.
But there is money on the line. Ward's attorneys say Hernandez's North Attleboro home was assessed at $1.2 million. They also say Hernandez may be owed as much as $6.2 million from the Patriots.
If any money is owed to Mr. Hernandez from the Patriots, that money should also be secured for the benefit of Odin Lloyd's family.
Hernandez is also facing murder charges and civil suits for the shooting deaths of Daniel De Abreu and Safiro Furtado. Aaron Hernandez is also named in a civil suit filed by Alexander Bradley, the man allegedly shot in the face by Hernandez. Ursula Ward's attorney says he has not been in contact with Alexander Bradley's attorney. In Boston with the Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.